Migrating from ServiceNow to Jira Service Management may seem complex. Incidents, users, and years of history all need to move with you. But with Help Desk Migration by Relokia, the process is simpler than it looks. Here's how it works. Start by signing up for Migration Wizard and click Start a New Migration. Connect ServiceNow as your source, enter your URL, username, and password. Then connect Jira Service Management as your target. You'll need your URL, username, and API token. If you're unsure about anything here, check the Important Migration Notes panel for guidance. Configure your Jira Service Management connection by selecting the Service Desk project where your ServiceNow data will move. Then choose the issue type for all migrated incidents. Next, choose the data you want to migrate. Incidents, users, companies, knowledge bases, categories, articles, and related records. Now, move to mapping. Start with admins. Be sure to create corresponding user profiles in Jira Service Management before the migration. Then match users between the two platforms. You can also set a default user for all unassigned tickets, and those belonging to deleted or inactive admins. Then map incidents. Align default and custom fields between platforms. The tool shows you exactly what matches and what needs attention. Choose a corresponding ServiceNow field and match it with a Jira field. If the field includes drop-down or multi-level options, map them too. Fill in a checkbox and repeat the process with other fields. If a field doesn't exist in Jira Service Management yet, you can create it on the spot directly from the Migration Wizard. Repeat the same process for knowledge base articles. After mapping, configure your migration options. For incidents, you can add tags, skip attachments, or select up to 20 records for a demo. For articles, you can choose to update crosslinks between articles. Once everything is set, run a free demo migration. This transfers a small sample of data so you can preview how your migration will look. When it's done, review the migration reports. See what was migrated, skipped, or failed. If everything looks right, proceed to the full migration. Choose a support plan, complete the payment, and start immediately or schedule it for later. Migration doesn't have to be complicated. Connect, map, test, and migrate step by step. Try it now at app.help-desk-migration.com and run your free demo.